वतन की तुमसे है इज्जत, वतन की तुमसे है इंसान के हम रखवाले, ताकत वतन की हमसे है, हिम्मत वतन की मान के सुनकर गर्ज हमारी सीने फट जाते चट्टान के।
The Indian flag is a symbol of pride, patriotism, and self-reliance.
Red, Rasta slot, slot.
Principal to enlighten us with her thoughts on this auspicious day.
On this occasion of 75th Independence Day of our country, I extend heartiest greetings and warm felicitations to all of you. The theme for this Independence Day, very aptly chosen by the government, led by our revered Prime Minister Modi ji, is Nations First, Always First. It was on 15th August 1947 when India woke up to freedom and the national flag was hoisted at the Red Fort in Delhi. With joy, pride and honor, this day is celebrated in every part of India. Let us salute our freedom for life. Friends, the invisible enemy that has crippled the world economy and has threatened the survival of a common man since last March has affected our lives universally. That is the reason for the limited gathering here. But whatever the circumstances, the show must go on. Sector 32 and 1163 suspected or confirmed COVID cases have been operated upon. Management of COVID patients in wards and ICUs was a combined effort of all faculty from all disciplines, juniors and senior residents and nursing staff, especially when we were increasing the beds sequentially. It was their constant support, excellent cooperation and dedication, and I express my gratitude to one and all. Let us not forget the contribution of all the investigative departments who gave timely reports for the management of these patients. Another dreaded disease, a complication of COVID, the mucormycosis, was very efficiently dealt by Professor Surinder Singhal and his team. 113 patients have been managed by the department and 81 surgeries have been performed. During the second wave, also, patients at Sood Dharamshala and Dhanvantri Hospital were managed by GMCH. Till date, 1900 people have been quarantined at Sood Dharamshala and more than 1500 at Dhanvantri Hospital. Dietetics department deserves a special mention for excellent food which was served to all the patients of Corona. Extra teams were constituted to carry out RT-PCR sampling in various areas of southern zone of Chandigarh under the Department of Community Medicine, and I would like to express my gratitude to Mr. Satish Jain, the then SDM, and Mr. Vikas Goyal and their team who helped us in distribution of medicine kits in the southern zone to corona patients and in contact tracing. Department of Microbiology has performed nearly 1 lakh RT-PCR tests so far. A VRDL lab supported by ICMR is also coming up soon, which will enable them to enhance their testing capacity. Thanks to IT department for making the reports online. A special word about paramedical staff, ancillary staff, security, sanitation, ward care by attendants, which was exemplary during these difficult times. I thank all of them from the core of my heart. Vaccination drive has been carried out very efficiently and quite successfully. More than 90% of the healthcare workers in this institute have been vaccinated, and we are hopefully a step further towards safety. Last but not the least, online mode of taking classes was put in place for students at a war footing. I appreciate our teams from academics and IT for this work. Efforts put in by faculty are praiseworthy, who moved out of their comfort zones and adapted well to this changed mode of teaching and training. Timely procurement during this pandemic was supported by the hospital administration, the medical superintendent, DMS, Dr. Aditi, Dr. Sonali, SR Dr. Bala, pharmacy department, Mr. Kulbhushan and his team from stores. They were always prompt in their actions to provide any help required. There have been many instances which had brightened up our days also during the past 1 year, and let's have a look at it. Topping the list is the joining of our dynamic and efficient medical superintendent, Professor Sudhir Garg, who has now taken the reins and is working very sincerely for the hospital. Our college ranked 8th amongst the government medical colleges of the painstaking efforts of Professor Ajit Sidana in compilation of the data and timely applying to various agencies. Additional number of PG seats have been approved by NMC for the departments of obstetrics and gynecology and biochemistry, so making a total of 136 postgraduate seats available this year to the postgraduate students. I take pleasure in informing that seats in BSc Nursing, which is one of the most sought after paramedical course, have increased from 35 to 60. Some of our students have excelled in research and innovations for which they will be awarded today. And not only academics, we are no less in fashion world. Dr. Kashish Datta, Senior Resident in Pulmonary Medicine, finished first runner-up in competition for Mrs. India International held in Chandigarh. Now, a look at what are the future projects which are started in GMCH. The construction work of 200-bedded emergency cum trauma block has been started and is under progress. It will improve the emergency services tremendously. The drawings of 300-bedded mother and child care center are being finalized, and we are pretty sure that this project will see the light of the day very soon. It has been added in the priority list of 100 days. Another important project which has been added in this priority list is the construction of hostels for MBBS boys and girls. In addition to the existing PSA oxygen generation plants in GMCH and Sector 48 Hospital, another plant of 800 LPM capacity has been sanctioned for GMCH Sector 32. Very soon, the effluent treatment cum sewerage treatment plant is going to come up in Sector 32. That has been approved by the Standing Finance Committee. Some more beds in ICU C block have been added. The skill labs, which is an important requirement as per the new curricula for the UGs and also for the PGs, have been set up in Block J. In library, clinical key database and clinical key student database have been added for the benefit of faculty and students. About the national programs, since the implementation of Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana in 2018, 4,300 patients have availed free treatment at GMCH under this scheme. Until date, 106 patients have availed services under HIMCare. The implementation of National Digital Health Mission is in process, and GMCH will be adopted as a model hospital for NDHM in Chandigarh. E-hospital has already been started successfully. I proudly congratulate all the awardees, and you know that this time there are 28 awardees from GMCH who are going to be awarded by the Chandigarh administration for their exemplary services during the COVID times. So congratulations to all the awardees. It was really well deserved. At the same time, it is not that the others have worked any less. Some departments need special mention. It was the Department of Radio Oncology, led by Professor Avdesh Pandey, who had volunteered from the very beginning of the pandemic to continue their physical OPDs for the
Just words.
The insignia of the Assam Regiment is the one-horned rhino, which is worn on the berets and belts that these soldiers, the self-proclaimed rhinos, don. The regimental salutation, Tagda Raho, is unique in the Indian Army.
मेजर जनरल एस.सी. बारबोरा, जिन्होंने 1960 की दशक में 2 असम रेजिमेंट का नेतृत्व किया था, अक्सर अपने सिपाहियों का मनोबल बनाए रखने के लिए उनसे पूछा करते थे, तगड़ा है? हर बार जवाब बेझिझक, तगड़ा है साहब, होता था. Now, the nursing officers of our institute are going to present before us a famous song of the Assam Regiment, Uttar Purab Se.
रक्षा करने आया है. भगवान पूरब से आए हम नौजवान, देश की रक्षा करने आया है. भगवान साथ देगा, हार न मानेंगे, देश के दुश्मन तू हो जा होशियार. जीते ऐलान करो प्रभु का नाम लेकर, दुश्मनों को मार भगाते जा. जीते ऐलान करो प्रभु का नाम लेकर, दुश्मनों को मार भगाते जा. जीत हमारी होगी राइनो जवानों की, जीतेंगे तगड़ा रहोगे अगर. देखो देश हमारा भारत माता को, हर दिशा से दुश्मन आया है. देखो देश हमारा भारत माता को, हर दिशा से दुश्मन आया है. देश की राही होगी राइनो जवानों की, जीतेंगे तगरार होगे अगर. जीतेंगे तगरार होगे अगर. जीतेंगे तगरार होगे अगर.
That was indeed an astounding performance. अब हमारे कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स, फैकल्टी और नर्सिंग ऑफिसर्स इंडियन आर्मी की असम रेजिमेंट का एक प्रयाण गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं. इस गीत के पीछे एक बहुत ही रोचक किस्सा है. राइफलमान बदलू राम जंग में शहीद हुआ एक सिपाही था, लेकिन उसके वरिष्ठ अधिकारी ने उसे मृत घोषित न कर उसके नाम
And resilience of our Indian Army. Even the supreme sacrifice is taken in its stride. This attitude evokes fear and awe in the hearts of our enemies. It begins on a lighter note, showing that even the bravest of our brave soldiers are ultimately human beings, just like all of us.
एक खूबसूरत लड़की थी, उसको देख के राइफलमैन चिंदी खींचना भूल गया. हवलदार मेजर देख लिया, लगाया,
उसको पिट्ठू लगाया।
बदूराम एक सिपाही था,
बदूराम एक सिपाही था,
जापान वॉर में मर गया।
जापान वॉर में मर गया।
क्वार्टर मास्टर स्मार्ट था,
क्वार्टर मास्टर स्मार्ट था,
उसने राशन निकाला।
उसने राशन निकाला।
बदूराम का बदन जमी का नीचे है, बदूराम का बदन जमी का नीचे है, बदूराम का बदन जमी का नीचे है, तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है। शाबाश हालेलुया, शाबाश हालेलुया, शाबाश हालेलुया, तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है। बदूराम का बदन, बदूराम का बदन, बदूराम का बदन, तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है। शाबाश हालेलुया, शाबाश हालेलुया, शाबाश हालेलुया, तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है। बदूराम का बदन जमी का नीचे है, बदूराम का बदन जमी का नीचे है, बदूराम का बदन जमी का नीचे है, तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है, तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है, तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है।
That was a really energetic performance. This is for the first time that the faculty has been involved in singing. We thank Dr. Navneet Thakkar, Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, and Dr. Manpreet Singh, Professor, Department of Anesthesia and Intensive Care. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir.
A heartfelt gratitude to Professor Varinder Saini, Head of Department Pulmonary Medicine, for selection of songs and also sparing Dr. Kritika Kumar and Dr. Winnie Sangma, postgraduate third year junior residents in Department of Pulmonary Medicine, who made behind the scene efforts for the successful culmination of this performance.
The highest reward for a person's toil is not what they get for it, but what they become by it.
Now I request our Director Principal to present commendation certificates and cash awards to the officials who have been working tirelessly for the betterment of our institute. Ms. Nirmala Devi, Senior Nursing Officer, Nursing Department. She joined the institute in the year 1996. She has managed the various areas, which includes communication cell, vaccination center, and screening OPD excellently during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Ms. Sunaina, Nursing Officer, Medicine Emergency. She joined the institute in year 2007. She is empathetic, has excellent nursing skills, and handles emergency situations very well. Please give a huge round of applause.
Shri Vimal Yadav, Nursing Officer, Pediatric Emergency. He joined the institute in the year 2007. He is hardworking and an expert in providing direct care to neonates and pediatric patients.
Ms. Nishtha, Nursing Officer, Clean Labor Room. She joined the institute in the year 2014. She is expert in providing critical care to the patients. She worked very hard for Kaya Kalp and during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Ms. Bhupinder Kaur, Nursing Officer, General Surgery OT. She joined the institute in the year 2000. She has excellent nursing skills for assistance in all type of surgeries in the operation theatre.
Shri Ravinder Yadav, Medical Social Welfare Officer, Medical Record Department. He joined the institute in the year 2009. He ensured services of MRT remained functional for the general public throughout the COVID-19 pandemic.
Ms. Archana Avasti, Senior Assistant, Establishment Branch 1. She joined the institute in the year 1997. She is presently dealing with service matters of the faculty, Group A. She performs her duties very diligently.
Shri Satish Kumar, Senior Assistant, Hospital Administration, Branch 1. He joined the institute in the year 1997. He deals with the service matters of the nursing officers. He performs his duties very sincerely.
Shri Anil Kumar Sharma, Medical Laboratory Technician, Grade 1, Transfusion Medicine. He joined the institute in the year 2009. He is always ready to work even after office hours, and his extraordinary services are appreciable.
Shri Pardeep Kumar, Medical Lab Technician, Grade 1, Pulmonary Medicine. He joined the institute in the year 2010. He worked throughout the entire pandemic and provided bronchoscopy services, which is otherwise considered an aerosol generating procedure and thus dangerous under the present circumstances.
Shri Gurdeep Singh, Junior Assistant Establishment Branch 3. He joined the institute as clerk in the year 1999. He deals with the establishment matters related to Group B, C and D officials. He has broad knowledge of rules and regulations.
Miss Geeta Devi, Junior Assistant Diary and Dispatch Section. She joined as clerk in the year 1999. She is responsible for dispatching all the DAC received daily from the branches and departments of the institute.
Shri Amit Sharma, Junior Assistant MRD. He joined the institute in the year 2000. Though he himself got infected during the COVID-19 pandemic, he ensured that HIMS, CBHI monthly reports, insurance claim and RTI services continued without any break or delay.
Shri Bikramjeet Singh, Clerk, Estate Branch. He joined the institute as clerk in the year 2006 and presently looking after the work of allotment of houses, construction as well as repair and maintenance of various buildings.
Shri Rajveer Singh, Clerk, Establishment Branch 3. He joined the institute as clerk in the year 2002. He deals with the service books in respect of Group B, C and D officials efficiently.
Shri Amin Lal, Clerk, Orthopedics. He joined the institute as clerk in the year 2002. Before joining this institute, he had served in the Indian Army for 17 years. He is always eager to stay back beyond office hours if needed.
Shri Jeevan Lal Suthar, ECG Technician, Cardiology. He joined the institute in the year 2014. Despite his physical disability, he performs his duties with utmost dedication. He is very keen to learn and also teach his fellow technicians and juniors.
Miss Karamjeet Kaur, Laboratory Attendant, Community Medicine. She joined the institute in the year 2015. She is actively involved in COVID-19 control activities, namely contact tracing, COVID-19 sampling and testing.
Ms. Ashima, EPABX Operator, Communication Cell. She joined the institute in the year 2000. She efficiently handles her duties and devotes extra time as and when required in the communication cell.
Shri Sayar Singh, Driver, in the Office of Joint Director Administration. He joined this institute in the year 1999. He is sincere and conscientious, and even he is willing to perform duties beyond the working hours.
Shri Rajkumar, Driver, Central Stores. He joined the institute in the year 1999. He performs his duties in the field even beyond working hours, voluntarily and sincerely. He is a very disciplined and dedicated driver.
Shri Shri Ram, Mali, Central Stores. He joined the institute in the year 1993 and is presently working in the guest house. He is a willing worker and performing his duties devotedly. Now, certain officials who rendered outstanding meritorious services in the hospital with a cheerful approach throughout the COVID-19 pandemic are also being honored today. Shri Pavan Kumar, Sub-Divisional Engineer, Public Health. He joined the engineering department in 1996 and was associated with the construction of Block B, 48 campus and MHI 32. During COVID-19 pandemic, he played an active role in making COVID OTs and ICUs functional. Also, during second wave of COVID-19, he assisted in the supply of liquid oxygen.
Shri Ravi Kumar, Assistant Engineer, Electrical. He joined the electrical department in 2010 and he is posted in GMCH since 2017. In addition to his routine duties, he has played an active role in uninterrupted power supply to the COVID hospitals.
Shri Sandeep Chawla, Assistant Engineer, joined GMCH in 2016. He is associated with the construction of GMCH South Campus, Respiratory ICU Collection Center, and also the upcoming Emergency and Trauma Center. He was actively involved in the construction of medical gas plant in a record period of 12 days during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Now, we honor our security officials who performed tremendous duties during COVID-19 pandemic. Some unlawful activities like thefts, kidnapping, and fire incidents were controlled well in time due to their brave and quick efforts. Shri Sukhpal Singh, Security Supervisor.
Shri Sanjeev Kumar, Security Guard.
Shri Iqbal Singh, Security Guard.
Shri Anil, Security Guard. Now coming to the awards for contractual staff. First of all, Ms. Ritika Negi, optometrist of Department of Ophthalmology.
Ms. Sandeep Kaur, dental chairside assistant cum technician, Department of Dentistry.
Shri Ojaswi Yadav, data entry operator, medical record department.
Ms. Gurbir Kaur, medical physicist, Department of Radiation Oncology.
Ms. Paramjeet Kaur, medical lab technician, Department of Microbiology.
फुल कर लो ना मैं क्लोज करेगा
Shri Karam Singh, attendant, Office of Joint Director Administration.
Shri Ankush, attendant, Central Stores.
Shri Tajinder Singh, attendant, Department of Orthopedics.
Shri Dinesh Singh Ravan, ward attendant, emergency OT 2A.
Ms. Jyoti, file restorer, medical record department.
Shri Rajesh Kumar, Safai Karamchari, Department of Dentistry.
Ms. Anita Sharma, attendant, Department of Anesthesia and Intensive Care.
Mr. Rajesh Sharma, laboratory attendant, pulmonary medicine.
Now we present certificates of appreciation to our students for outstanding research and innovation. Adhish Berry, batch 2018. His research has been selected for poster presentation in European Society of Stereotactic and Functional Neurosurgery to be held in September 2021.
Dr. Kriti Shukla, batch 2014. Her work has been selected for oral presentation in International Congress organized by Movement Disorder Association to be held in September 2021. Her paper has a blue ribbon, which means the best abstract in that particular category.
Dr. Hargunbir Singh, batch 2015. He innovated a robot for COVID patients which can provide the medicines and other items to a patient's bed on being operated through a remote.
We honor posthumously two of our officials for their exemplary services during the COVID-19 pandemic. I call upon daughter of Ms. Bharti, attendant Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, to receive the honors.
Now I call upon the son of Mr. Balwinder, lift operator, to receive the honors. Now I request the in charge of a security services to come forward and accept the award. Thank you, ma'am.
Now please give a huge round of applause for all the awardees once again. कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है।
With this, we come to the conclusion of today's program. A heartfelt thanks to everyone present here for making this day a memorable one.
I request you all to take the refreshments. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
खतरों से हंस के खेलना, इतनी तो हमें हिम्मत है।
घोड़े कलाई मौत की, इतनी तो हमें ताकत है।
हम सरहदों के वास्ते लोहे की एक दीवार है, हम दुश्मनों के वास्ते होशियार है, तैयार है।
अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना,
अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
एक चेहरा अक्सर मुझे याद आता है, इस दिल को चुपके वो तड़पाता है। जब घर से कोई भी खत आया है, कागज को मैंने भीगा भीगा पाया है। ओ पलकों पे यादों के कुछ दीप जैसे जलते हैं, कुछ सपने ऐसे हैं जो साथ साथ चलते हैं। कोई सपना ना टूटे, कोई वादा ना
वतन की तुमसे है हिम्मत, वतन की तुमसे है हिम्मत, वतन की तुमसे है इंसान के हम रखवाले। ताकत वतन की हमसे है, हिम्मत वतन की हमसे है, इज्जत वतन की हमसे है, इंसान के हम रखवाले। पहरेदार हिमालय के हम झोंके हैं तूफान के, सुनकर दर्द हमारी सीने फट जाते चट्टान के। पहरेदार हिमालय से